Hello, and a big welcome to everyone watching. And I'm so excited to have you here on my channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of the exciting content we've got lined up. And hey, don't keep all this fun to yourself. Share this with your friends, family, and anyone who loves Daily Stoic. Let's grow this amazing community together. All right, let's get started and dive right into today's video. If you're wondering whether a woman is genuinely attracted to you, it's important to pay attention to her actions, as they often reveal more than words ever could. While people can say a lot with their words, it's often the nonverbal cues that give a clearer picture of someone's true feelings. Recognizing these subtle signs can help you understand her level of interest more accurately. Here are a few key indicators to look out for that suggest she might be attracted to you. I would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel. And like our videos, every click of yours is valuable to us, as it gives us more motivation to continue sharing more meaningful stories with you. If you like our content, we encourage you to share and leave questions below. Every interaction is a way to build a closer and more connected community, and I invite you to stay with us until the end of the video. I am very grateful to you first prolonged eye contact when a woman is drawn to you. Her eyes can express more than anything she could say out loud. She'll tend to maintain eye contact longer than usual, which often indicates a deeper emotional connection. If she's holding her gaze or looking at you more frequently, it's a strong sign that she feels a connection and is genuinely interested next time you're talking. Try holding her gaze a little longer and notice how much of an unspoken connection can be created simply by eye contact. Second, open body language. Our body language often reveals our true emotions and intentions, and when a woman is attracted to you, her body will likely reflect that. Pay attention to how she positions herself when you're around, if she leans in towards you during conversation or angles her body to face you more directly. It's an indication that she's engaged and eager to connect with you on a deeper level. If her arms are uncrossed, her posture is relaxed, and her shoulders are open, it shows that she feels at ease and safe in your presence, signaling that she's comfortable and open to further interaction. These subtle cues can give you a clearer sense of how she feels about you, without her needing to say a word. 3. An easy laugh when a woman laughs freely, especially at your jokes, no matter how silly they may be. It's a clear sign she enjoys being around you. Laughter is a natural expression of comfort and connection, and if she laughs effortlessly in your presence, it suggests she feels at ease and might be drawn to you. Humor plays a significant role in forming a bond, and her laughter is a strong indication that she's forming a connection with you, signaling her interest and attraction. 4. Casual touches. Physical touch is one of the most powerful and subtle indicators of attraction. If she finds ways to initiate light touches like brushing her hand against yours or gently tapping your arm during a conversation, it shows that she's comfortable with you and open to physical closeness. These small, seemingly innocent gestures are often a way of testing the waters, signaling that she might be interested in forming a deeper connection. It's her way of indicating that she feels safe and comfortable in your presence, and that she may want to take the relationship to the next level. 5. Asking personal questions. When a woman starts to ask questions that go beyond surface-level details, such as inquiries about your life experiences, your passions, your dreams, or your opinions on more meaningful topics, it's a sign of genuine interest. This curiosity indicates that she values what you think and feels a deeper desire to know you as a person. She's not simply making small talk. She's invested in discovering more about you, which is a clear sign that she wants to build a stronger emotional connection with you. 6. Adjusting her appearance. If you notice her subtly adjusting her hair, clothes, or jewelry. Whenever you're around, it's a clear indication that she wants to look her best. In your presence, these small, unconscious gestures reveal that she cares about how you perceive her and wants to make a positive impression. Whether she's smoothing down her outfit or fixing her hair, these actions show that she's attracted to you and wants to present herself in the best possible light, signaling her interest in you. 7. Nervousness or fidgeting. Even the most self-assured and composed woman can find herself feeling nervous or uneasy when she is around someone she's attracted to. If she seems fidgety, frequently adjusts her clothing, plays with her hands, or shifts in her seat, it can be a clear indication that your presence is having an effect on her. These subtle movements are often her way of managing the emotions and excitement she's experiencing. Blushing or stumbling over her words, especially in the midst of a conversation, are also telltale signs that she's trying to navigate her feelings and may feel a desire to impress or connect with you on a deeper level. These responses often reflect her internal desire to make a positive impression and demonstrate interest in conclusion. By observing these subtle signs such as prolonged eye contact, open and relaxed body language, genuine laughter, casual touches, asking personal questions, attention to her appearance, and the occasional nervous gesture, you'll gain valuable insight into how she feels about you. Once you become attuned to these signals, you'll no longer be left guessing about her intentions or feelings. Recognizing these cues can provide you with a clearer understanding of her emotional state and interest in you. Thank you for staying with us until the end before we say goodbye. If you have not yet subscribed, I invite you to press the subscribe button. Your support, even if it seems like a small gesture, means a lot to us and drives us to continue creating content with heart. Don't forget to give it a like if you liked what we shared today, as every interaction helps us grow and allows us to continue connecting with you through stories that matter. Thank you for being part of this community.